3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Pocket so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit. Gotta wait to make no movies, I be loaded. They would be a friend with you, I make a move on you, nigga, I be loaded.
What? Uncle Buddy? Let's go party.
How you doing?
Today is a very exciting. It's 12:30 right now. I gotta get ready within like an hour and a half, and you're gonna celebrate my birthday with me. Where's my present, dude? I don't see it. Where's my present? Are you gonna buy it? Okay. So this is the final look, but this is the hair. Tried to make it look like she was wet. I'll show you the outfit once I get there. Okay, so we're here, we're at the park. This is my outfit. Raylene got me this little chasse thing. This is my outfit. Didn't mean to put this glitter on my face. I thought it was regular aloe vera, but anyways, let me show you what the party's looking like. People are still getting here, but Raylene just got here, and some of my family just got here too, so this is what it's looking like. She's a cute little thing. There's the water. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog very much today. It's gonna be pretty boring. It's just gonna be like sitting around eating, talking. We're still waiting for Natalie to get here, and I think Ari and Alana.
1 week later.
Can you like not abuse my dog,
I didn't
please?
even do anything to your little...
Say hi, guys.
Oh, hey,
Hi to the vlog. Hey.
vlog.
Let's wait. Oh my God. I think you should carry this. Bro, I know y'all saw So Late abusing.
Hi, baby.
We're almost there. Look at the little view thing. Okay, bowling.
Come on.
It's croquet.
What is croquet?
Okay, croquet. Oh.
Did you bring your dog?
Because I wanted to.
Your dad was...
Well.
I don't give a damn!
I think you guys all know these people from Diego's vlog. Hey, vlog. Let's go. Are we here? Yes. Yay! How are you feeling?
I'm
feeling good. How are you feeling?
How are you guys feeling? I'm feeling great.
So good.
I am feeling great. It's so like cute.
I'm so smart.
Yeah.
I got the big brain.
Wait, what happened?
Basically, we have to stay on that side because if it comes to high tide, then we can't cross over, and then all our stuff is ruined.
Oh,
Already coming, and if it gets, the later it goes, the higher it gets.
that's physics, and I have failed.
Sarah, why are you so worried about what's
Pussy fit. Sarah's a pussy.
I beg your pardon.
I'm just trying to keep.
What's a pussy fit? Hey vlog. Get in the vlog, guys. Let's go. Glamour, blonde, glamour, internet.
Papa, what, baby?
What, baby? What?
We're gonna eat right now, huh?
Yummy.
Okay, Jazzy.
Loki.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Any chips?
Yeah, there's chips.
No. I was the first time. Yes, it's you.
Is it aesthetic or what? Look at the dog. Super aesthetic. This is like 1978 aesthetic. Say hi, guys! Ready? Picture! 3, 2, 1!
If I have to go pee, should I go pee in the water?
What do you think?
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I will.
You know you was wrong for what you did.
What I do?
You know you were hella wrong for what you did.
What are you talking about?
Really?
What did I do?
You have 2 choices. Yes or yes.
Yes. He'll throw up on you.
Let him down. Soleil. You know what? I'm not doing that again. Hey, you're gonna have to stay right there, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Guys, should I get a bus down?
Yeah, you should.
I'm gonna get a bus down. Hey, you wanna get a bus down with me? Edit us with a bus down on. Look, baby. Look at the camera.
I'm not here living though. I'm not here living though.
Hold the hell up. Did y'all see that?
Hold the heck up.
Show me something. She just put her front in my behind, bro. What? Are y'all being serious right now? I support it.
Well, of course you are. You gay.
I lie.
Hey guys, we're about to paint right now. This is the layout. Painting. Problem. Hey, what are you painting? Okay, bisexual.
Guys, it's not. Trust me.
Okay, what is it? Oh, a capybara. Are you painting Sonic? Oh wait, that's cute though.
Why are you laughing?
She's like this bitch. Frida, what are you painting?
I like it.
Raylene, what are you painting? Raylene, easily. What are you painting?
What?
What are you painting?
Hello Kitty.
Let me see. Oh.
I hate you. I'm
Rayla, sing. I love you till the day that I die. going to the pool right now. I'm so excited. All of us. Beach like gives you good hair at the end of the day.
No, it doesn't.
In the car. In the car, I was literally taking pictures on Jazz's phone because my hair was like perfect. Yeah, I know. Actually, let me just. Okay, sorry. Here, you can have it back. Hey y'all, Sierra's gonna jump over the fence. Damn.
White girl power.
Period. You know, the white girls ain't bad after all.
White girls can get through anything.
Damn. Thank you.
I'm jumping in that Jeep.
Okay guys, we were just at the pool. I know I didn't record like at all, I'm pretty sure. Talking chisme and whatever. Anyways, so yeah, I would have been gotten cut now anyways, or just deleted, not added. Hey, hey.
Poke it on now, poke it out right there. I'ma fall back, let you work that chair. Do the damn thing, all I wanna hear is you say, damn.